Yeah, Windy Bill here. Now we're at Death Valley Ranch, Furnace Creek Ranch. We're at the museum outdoors section. The indoors museum is closed, but we have one of the old safes, one of the big diesel motors. I apologize for the light getting dim. They've kind of collected stuff over the years here. The Ash Meadow Stagecoach. Of course, you know, something they don't tell you when you're in Ash Meadows going through all the stuff. What Ash Meadows was originally famous for is the Ash Meadows Casino and Brothel. Casino was a card table, and the brothel had like 6 to 8 women working there. But it was very famous for the borax workers. That's why it was located there. They could leave the borax mine and go right to the brothel on their day off or after work. Okay, we have a narrow gauge steam engine from the Death Valley Railroad. Borax Smith bought this when he ran from Death Valley Junction to the mine and had to have a narrow gauge. This is originally a Denver and Rio Grande steam engine. And I can check the book and compare, and I can find out what the Denver and Rio Grande number was. And I'm not sure if this was the original number 2, because he had a couple of them. But I'll have to double check. Okay. Now we got the steam tractor. Guppy! Okay, this steam tractor, there was like 5 of them out here in the desert. Yeah, this is the one that was used up by Calico. Yeah, they replaced the mules with the steam tractor, and the first day of use it dug a great big hole and buried itself, and that's where it sat, and the mules went back to work. And then some miner out here in Death Valley went up there in the canyon, dug it out, and transported it to Death Valley to use in one of the mines out here. Okay, here we have a 20 mule team wagon. Now, you look at this and you say, okay, what do we got here? We got a wagon. Yeah. No, what we have is we have a freight business. These wagons were custom built for the borax mine, and he used it for the builder used other ones for other mining prospects to do. Now, this went from Death Valley to Mojave, and took them 10 days. They had their water tank. There's places to get water. Now, in my historic maps, I've got listings for every stop they made for water and where they camped. We got an old road grader. We got a little guppy over there running around, hiding. Just having fun today. Yep. These old heavy carts and wagons. A horse or mule drawn grader, or scraper actually. They had hooked the mules up to it and he would drag this. They'd put that down, the bucket would go down, it'd fill up with dirt, and then they'd take it where they wanted it, then they would dump it. That's how they built pretty much all the Tonopah Tidewater Railroad. They've got quite a collection here from all over different parts of Death Valley, back before it was a national park. That they pillaged from the old mine sites, which I'm glad they did because it's protected now. Things are very nice and protected. Big rock crusher. It would rock back and forth and the roller would crush the rocks. A one stamp mill. And this was what was used underground at the mines. This is part of that mini railroad they had up there on the side of the mountain. Powered by a 4-cylinder motor, had an operator. And it would pull the ore cars. Here we have a tunnel loader. They would push this back into the tunnel after they blasted, and it would load the ore into the car. A lot of mining history here. Well, that about wraps it up. Like and subscribe. Likes help just get this out to other people so that other people can see it. And I want to thank you for watching. You guys have a great day. And you'll see you on the next video, next adventure. Thank you very much.